So my boat tire is constantly going flat. The tire is sun-baked, so about once every 2 weeks, I have to go inflate it. I get tired of bringing my air hose out there. This is the LOKITHOR. It's carried by BRS battery. They're actually out of Canada, eh? But this is cool. Not only can it inflate your tires, but it can jumpstart your vehicle and it can charge your phones. Now, I did a little time-lapse thing. I set it here to 32 PSI, and it does work. It's not the fastest. It took just about 3 minutes, and it burned about a quarter of the battery capacity. I had a full charge on it when I begun, and after I was done, it had 75% charge left. So you could still jumpstart a vehicle, and you could still inflate a couple more tires. There's really no point in just having just a jump pack that's all it can do is jumpstart your vehicles. So you might as well have one that can do your tires, jumpstart your vehicles, charge your phones, do it all, check it out. I do like that the hose comes off, so if you don't need it, that you can just use it and the hose is not in the way, getting tangled up and like caught up in everything that you're trying to do. I haven't decided what car I'm going to put this in yet. I'm probably going to put this in my truck because it's kind of handy. If I had to air down my tires, I could air them back up, whatever you need to do. We're going to test it on a way bigger tire next time and see what happens.